favorite color?
Blue. Orange.
Orange. Crazy.
Cats or dogs?
Dogs.
Bull.
Chocolate or vanilla?
Vanilla.
Chocolate or strawberries?
Strawberries.
Do you guys like fruits or veggies?
Fruits.
Pool or sprinkler?
Pool.
Donkeys or horses?
Horses.
Donkeys.
Babies or kittens?
Kittens.
Babies and kittens.
Baby kittens. Well,
Baby
that
cat.
is a kitten. Never mind.
No,
Baby cat.
What's your favorite? Who's your favorite One Direction?
Harry Styles.
Liam Payne. Liam Payne. Liam Payne, I love you.
Harry Styles.
She's totally obsessed with you,
I
Harry.
am. He's my screensaver.
Harry out there, Mackenzie is obsessed with you.
He's my screensaver.
Literally.
Anyways.